Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. But on today's video, I want to come on here and do a pot with me. You know, I love doing pots with me. I have just like a combination of these little just succulents and orchids and cacti and aloes pretty much. So I'm just gonna combine all of these. Can you see? I'm gonna just combine all of them into one pot to save space. So if you're interested in seeing me potting my little succulents, then keep on watching. Alright, so welcome back. Before I pan you all down to show you these succulents, I want to give a little backstory on one, where these succulents came from, and two, this pot. This pot, like I've mentioned before, is from the Dominican Republic. I purchased my just succulent housing situation. I'll try to insert or tag the video here somewhere. And I finally repotted that plant, so I'm going to recycle, reuse, reduce my plant clutter and just plant these into here. I have just sand and my own soil mix that I'm going to be using for this here soil concoction. I cannot find any words to speak. Also, I want to say happy holidays to everyone. Thanksgiving just passed and now it's on to Christmas, and I'm definitely in the Christmas spirit. Ho ho ho. But yeah, so I have these succulents that I'm going to repot, and these succulents, as you can see, like this one right here, which is like a flapjack, I believe. One of my high school girlfriends, she and her, pretty much her high school sweetheart of almost 10 years, they're having their first child. So they had a baby shower and their party favorites were plants, and I made sure I snagged myself a couple. So congratulations Nyambi and Berto on baby winter. But yeah, so I just picked up a few of the succulents that they were giving as party favors. So I'm gonna pan you guys down so you can see me potting this. Okay guys, so welcome back. And of course I had a plant casualty. Do you really own plants if you're not always, every so often, accidentally dropping plants on the floor just to have to clean up soil? Let me know down in the comment section below. My hands are already super dry. I've been dealing with plants already, so it really makes no sense for me to moisturize them if I am going to get my hands filthy and dirty yet again with soil. So first off, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to depot all of these. They're like super dry. Into my arrangement. And I have this really sad Haworthia, which is not part of her giveaways, but I don't know what's going on with this one. But so here's my soil mix. I have some perlite, some soil, a little bit of coco coir, some orchid bark, orchid mix, and I'm not sure if I said perlite. And I'm gonna also add a bit of sand to just make sure this is super just gritty and grainy. Give this a little stir, 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 stir. Alright, so soil has been mixed. First things first, I have some just aquarium gravel. I'm gonna layer at the bottom. I rinsed them off, so that's why they're a little wet. Just do a little thin layer of aquarium gravel. Then next I'm going to add, zoom you guys in. Give it a little pack it in a little bit. First I'm going to start with my flapjack. Give it a little unwrapping. I'm going to just tuck it in right here like so and gather some soil around it. Next I have this really pretty sort of echeveria. I'm gonna again add a little. I'm gonna face it like this. Super cute, super cute. This is how it's looking thus far. I think I want to add this over here to this side. So this is either a aloe plant or it's a sort of Haworthia, but I think they're honestly so similar. Give the roots a bit of a squiggle, and then just tuck it away, just like so. So cute, so cute. I have this other sort of echeveria. I have all of these dead roots. This is how it's looking like so far. I'm thinking of tucking this away. I really want to tuck it away like back here. Yeah, this is exactly how I wanted it. And then I have this, just like marble, not marble, variegated jade that I want to literally just bring right here. So guys, this is the end result of me potting up all of the little single succulents, cacti, aloes that I've had in my home. One that helps save a lot of space. Instead of having a bunch of little plants around, I can just make them all concise, pretty, all into one, and not have to worry about anything. And this came out to be a really pretty arrangement. Not too bad, not too bad. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. Join this little kooky family because we're pretty awesome here. And yeah, I will see you on the next one.